Hi, my name is Rick Noel, and today we're going to talk about sharing Google Calendars and how using different colors can help. It's possible to share multiple calendars within Google Calendars, and having different colors to distinguish which calendar belongs to which user can be a valuable feature. So to share a calendar in Google is a simple process. First, we click on the Applications panel and select the Google Calendar icon. Next, we'll go over to a calendar and hit the down arrow to the right of the calendar name. Then we'll share the calendar. And sharing a calendar can be done on an individual person basis by entering that individual's Gmail address into the person information box, and then go ahead and clicking Add Person. Now that we've shared our calendar with another user who already has calendars, it's valuable to change the color of that calendar so they can distinguish different events. Now, to change a color, we're going to go over the calendar name and then select the drop arrow to the right of the calendar name, and when we do that, we'll see a color control that will come up, and we can select a different color to distinguish those events from the shared calendar. It's also possible to select a custom color if you choose. Google Calendar is a powerful calendaring system which allows users to share their calendar with other Google users and changing colors to help distinguish the source of each event.